Yes, good morning, beta. Let's continue with the revision of exponent and power and rational number also. We will do mixed question. Expanded form. Write in expanded form means you have to write them in this form. And write the number means you have to write this expanded form in this form. Got it? इसको expand करके ऐसे बनाना है और इनको expanded form को इस तरह से compact करना है. Do this. Hurry up, I am waiting for your answers.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I give the answer?
Wait. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. 2 into 10 raised to power
Beta,
5.
come close to mic.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, now I am audible.
Yes, yes.
2 into 10 raised to power 5 plus 7 into 10 raised to power 4 plus 9 into 10 raised to power 3 plus 4 into 10 raised to power 2 plus 0 into 10 raised to power 1 plus 4 into 10 raised to power 0.
Okay. Yes, do the next part. Yes, Jasleen.
2 into 10 raised to power 4 plus 0 plus 0 plus 6 into 10 raised to power 1 plus 8 into 10 raised to power 0.
Okay. Next, who will tell me the answer? Yes, Guneet. Akshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, 8,650.
No, 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 it's wrong. Do
मैम
again.
जीरो भी आएगा ना
80,000. Number बोल दो, number. If you can't speak the place value, you can tell me the number also. Yes, Samriddhi.
Yes. Yes.
बोलो बेटा आंसर.
Yes. Ma'am, 8605.
8605. Is it okay? 50. 10, 5 into 10, 50. It will become 50. 86050. Next. Yes, Akshita. Yes, Jalash, Rivya.
Ma'am, 9,205,000.
What?
Ma'am, 9,205,000.
9.
205.
Tell me the digits, beta. 9.
Ma'am, then 5 zeros.
5 zeros.
Ma'am, yes.
बोलो बेटा. मितुल.
Ma'am, no.
9.
Ma'am, 9,203,000. Ma'am, not 5.
2. Okay. Do the next standard form. In the standard form, you will shift the decimal after the first digit. You will put the decimal after the first digit, and how many numbers that you are shifting, you will put zeros for that. Do it, hurry up. Hurry up, everybody. Do these questions and tell me answer. Three. 10 raised to power 3. 7 के आगे तो पहले से ही है ना. Answer of this third question, first part is 3.9087 into 10 raised to power 3. Do next. Decimal will be shifted here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.0 into 10 raised to power 5. Okay. Do the next questions. Hurry up. Take 2-3 minutes and do all the
Ma'am.
questions. Yes.
Ma'am, 3 raised to power 12.
3 raised to power.
Ma'am, 12. Answer of 4. Ma'am, answer of 5th will be 10 raised to power 5.
Which answer you are speaking, beta?
Ma'am, 4th 3 raised to power 12. 5th 10 raised to power 5.
Oh, 10 raised to power 5.
Yes,
Mute
ma'am.
yourself. Yes, Akshita. Yes. Attendance mark कर ली. रेड पेन से मार्क करा है. Yes, answer of this question is 3 raised to power 12. Base are different, but the power is same. Yes, answer is 10 raised to power 5. Next, answer of this. Three raised to power किसका? 3 raised to power 7. 3 raised to power 7. Answer will be 1. 3 raised to power 0. ये भी 7 है ना, ये भी 3 raised to power 7 है. 7 minus 7 क्या हो गया? 0. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. वैसे देखा जाए 1, मैंने 1 ही बोला है. He is saying 3 raised to power 1. ये कैंसिल हो गया. आंसर इज 1. Yes, last. 5 raised to power. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 raised to power 3 क्या होता है? 2 into 2 into 2. 8 हो गया. 2 into 2 into 2, 8. 5 स्क्वायर क्या होता है? बोलो. हैं? 25. ये 8 है, ये 25 है. Is this true? False है ना? 8 is not greater than 25. So this statement is false. Okay. Now I'm writing few more questions. Do these questions, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Akshita.
Ma'am, 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5.
3.
3 raised to power 3
Yes.
multiplied by 2
Hmm.
multiplied by 5.
Okay. 3 raised to power 3 into 2 into 5. Have you factorized 270? Make prime factors of 270. Prime factors करने आते हैं? 2 से divide करना है, फिर 3, जिससे भी होता है divide. Make prime factors of 270 and write the factors. Prime factors of 270. Three raised to power 3 into 5 into 2. Do the next.
Ma'am, 10th का 2 raised to power 1 into 7 raised to power 2.
2 into 7 raised to power 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Simplify means you have to write the complete answer. 2 into 49, 98. Simplify means don't leave the answer in exponential form. You have to solve this. Simplify means पूरा solve करना है. हाँ. How you will solve this? 5 2s are 10. So it will become
2 raised to power 10 into 7 raised to power.
it will become 2 raised to power 10 into 7 cube. 8 can be written as 2 cube. 8 क्या होता है? 2 into 2 into 2. 8 क्या होता है? 2 क्यूब होता है. ये 3 ऑलरेडी है. 8 को लिख दिया 2 क्यूब. ऐसे नहीं करना तो आप ये ठीक है, ये चलेगा. इसको ऐसे लिख लो. अगर आपको नहीं समझ आता तो ऐसे लिख लो. इसको भी ओपन कर लो. 10 बार लिख लो. ठीक है, फिर कटिंग कर दो. जैसे आपको समझ आता है. पावर वाला समझ आता है तो मैं वो भी कर देती हूँ, मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. 2 raised to power 10 और अगर आपको पावर से नहीं क्लियर हो रहा, यू कैन एक्सपैंड इट. 8 is 2 cube into 3. ये क्या बन गया? 3 3 is 9. ये बन गया 2 raised to power 10, 7 cube, 2 raised to power 9 into 7 raised to power 1. Base is same, power will be subtracted. Divide हो रहा है ना, ये भी divide हो रहा है, power will be subtracted. क्या आ गया आंसर? 2 raised to power 1 into 7 square. 7 square क्या होता है? 7 into 7 49. 2 into 49 is 98. इसका आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? 2 into 7 square, ये आ जाएगा 2 raised to power 1 into 7 square. 7 square क्या होता है? 49. आंसर is 98. Is it okay? Do the next question.
Ma'am, can I tell?
कहाँ पे? -5/6 and -4/3. 6 है, 6 है, only 6. No power is there. Do the next. Expand means write it 5 times. 4/7 into 4/7. Write it 5 times. No need to multiply, just expand. Next is which one is greater? Make their denominator
Ma'am,
same.
can I
Write
tell?
LCM or you can cross multiply. Yes.
-4/3 is greater.
-5/6 is greater. देखो कैसे? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो. 3 इधर चला जाएगा -15, 6 इधर चला जाएगा -24. -15 -24. -15 is greater. -15 is greater. Next is find the equivalent rational number of this. Multiply this with 2 or with 3. If you multiply it with 2, it will become -6/14. 3 से करते हो -6/21. कोई भी rational number हो सकता है equivalent. ठीक है? How you will solve this? Find the two rational number between them. Make their denominator same, which is already same. How the denominator is same? Denominator is already 1 for both the number. The first step is make their denominator same, which is already same. Now what you will do, you will multiply both number with 10. It will become -20/10. This is -10/10. Write the numbers between them. -11/10, -12/10, -13/10, -14/10. ये करो सॉल्व। 8 को क्या लिखेंगे? 2 क्यूब। क्या लिखेंगे? 2 क्यूब। करो। और 2 ऑलरेडी है। टू रेज टू पावर 15. This is 2 cube raised to power 2. 3 2s are 2 raised to power. Base same है, divide हो रही है, power will be separate. Solve this. Base is same, power will be added. A raised to power 2 plus 5, that is 7. Add, write down. पावर की बात कर रही हूँ, बेस की बात कर रही हूँ। अगर आपके पास 10 रुपीज है, अगर तो 0 रुपीज और देंगे तो आपके पास कितने पैसे हैं? इसमें 0 रुपीज ऐड करो तो सेम ही आएगा. Is this a rational number? No, because according to the definition of rational number, the numbers of the form p by q, where p and q are integers and denominator should not be 0. But here denominator I have written as 0. Is it a fraction? No. Fraction में भी denominator 0 नहीं हो सकता. Fraction में numerator और denominator जो p और q होते हैं वो natural होते हैं और rational number में integers होते हैं. लेकिन denominator 0 नहीं होता. इसकी वैल्यू क्या है? Not defined. इसकी वैल्यू क्या है? Not defined. You can't define the number. उसके denominator में 0 आता है ना, you can't define that number. So answer will be not defined. And it is not a rational number because denominator is 0. Is it okay? Yes, Jasleen? Having any doubt?
Yes, मैम मैम अगर 2 raised to power 8 divided by 2 raised to power 9 हो तो फिर उसे कैसे करेंगे?
2 raised to power 8 divided by 2 raised to power 9. 2 raised to power 8 minus 9. 2 raised to power minus 1. Answer is 1 by 2. Minus power, take it in the denominator. It will make your power positive.